Sunken Garden. Saan ba ang Sunken Garden? Hi guys! No riding inside. This is a sunken garden, guys. We are entering to Sunken Garden. Hello, hello sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa aking YouTube channel, Florliza Vlog. Kung bago ko pa lang sa aking YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the notification bell para update kayo sa mga bago kong video, guys. Look, it's a beautiful place. May restaurant sa dito, guys. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful and nice place. Look. Betlog, halika dito. Ang ganda dito, guys. Super ganda. Daming tao dito, guys. Ganda pala dito. For the first time ako na pumunta dito, guys. Wow, nice and cooling. Shout out sa inyo lahat dyan, guys. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng aking videos. Sa lahat ng nanonood ng aking YouTube channel. Thank you sa inyong lahat, guys. Super ganda ito, guys. Look at this. Wow, it's so nice, small and beautiful. Very nice. Ang ganda, guys, dito. First time ako nagpunta dito, guys. Ganda dito, no? Oh, diba, guys? Ito yung Sunken Garden. Ganda niya, guys. Nice. Ito yung mga halaman noong unang panahon pa, guys. Pero tingnan nyo. Like, very nice. Hi, Dad! How are you? Ang ganda, no? Sunken Garden. Very amazing place, guys. For the first time, guys, nakapunta ako dito. Sunken Garden. Sunken Garden. Super ganda. Yan ang aking kasama. Nag-vlog din siya, guys. Sunken Garden. Hi to my vlog. She's very tired now. You see, that's why, you know, guys, I asked her to walk and